Battle of Stalingrad was considered by many historians a turning point in World War II in Europe. It took place between July 17, 1942 through February 2, 1943. The battle was between the opposing forces of the Soviet Union and Germany. Hitler was determined to capture Stalin's namesake city, and Stalin was equally determined to defend it. The Battle of Stalingrad began when the Germans surrounded the city of Stalingrad. In November, the Soviets encircled their attackers, so the Germans were trapped without food and ammo. The German commander finally surrendered in January 1943. The Battle of Stalingrad is one of the costliest in World War II.
Alright. Alright.
Okay, let's get to work, guys!
The Allied invasion of North Africa was known as Operation Torch. The British Army invaded Casablanca with American soldiers under General Patton. They used 400 ships, 1,000 planes, and 107,000 men. The Allied forces were stopped short of the Tunisian capital because the Germans got reinforcements from Italy. After a few failed Axis counterattacks, the Germans were pushed back and cornered until they were forced to surrender. The American generals were thinking of invading northern France over the English Channel. Churchill had a different idea. He wanted to invade Sicily from North Africa, then cut up through Italy to Nazi Germany. Then the Russian army would join them and secure the Allied power. The Sicilian invasion began in July 1943, and most of the Italian troops surrendered. The Sicilians welcomed them as liberators. However, a small group of Italians and 90,000 Germans held out for 5 weeks. By 1943, it was obvious that Nazism was losing power, so was Mussolini. King Emmanuel summoned him, dismissed him from office, and then sent him to jail. On September 8, 1943, Italy officially surrendered to the Allies.
Go to Europe and kill them, buddy. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Hi.
How was the German front?
The Red Army has breached it. We've still the Order offensive has advanced almost 40 kilometers westward in a day.
2 Soviet forces have invaded Berlin from the east and south, while the third has overrun the German forces in the north.
Then it would seem we're not far from defeat. It's been an honor.
Two atomic bombs were dropped by the Americans on Japan in August 1943. The first was called Little Boy and targeted for Hiroshima. 80,000 people were killed in the original blast. The second bomb was known as Fat Man, and it detonated over Nagasaki. This caused 40,000 deaths, and then over 100,000 are thought to have died from the after effects of radiation. This was a powerful attack with many casualties, and Japan surrendered only 6 days later.